Manali with us today.
Hello everyone.
How have you been, Manali?
চলছে ঠিকঠাক.
Okay. So we want to do a quick rapid fire with you.
Okay.
What's your favorite outfit for Pujo?
Sari.
What is the most prized possession you have in your wardrobe?
অনেক কিছু আছে. মায়ের শাড়ি.
What are your plans for Pujo this year?
শো আছে আর ফ্যামিলির সাথে বন্ধুদের সাথে যেটা আমি প্রত্যেক বছর করে থাকি সেটাই.
So your fondest memory of Pujo?
ছোটবেলা, মাই চাইল্ডহুড মেমোরিজ. আমার পাড়ার বন্ধু বান্ধব, যদিও আমি এখনো সবার সাথে কানেক্টেড, এখনো পাড়ার পুজোয় আমি আড্ডা দিই, তো এখনো সেম মেমোরিজটা আমি মানে মেমোরিজ আর নেই, মানে আমি বলবো যে এখন আমি সেটা কন্টিনিউ করি ছোটবেলা থেকে.
And what is that one puja ritual that you do not miss out any year?
রিচুয়াল এখন মিস হয়. যখন মা ছিল এভরি ইয়ার আমি মায়ের সাথে অঞ্জলি দিতে যেতাম, কিংবা বিজয়ের যে রিচুয়ালস হয় ছোটোবেলা থেকেই যেতাম. তো এখন একা রিচুয়ালসটা করি, কিন্তু আগে মায়ের সাথে করতাম. তো অঞ্জলিটা এক সময় মিস হয়ে যায় আমার, কারণ যেহেতু আমি মাকে মিস করি সেই জায়গা থেকে আমার মিস হয়ে যায়, কিন্তু এক সময় বিজয়টা করে নিই.
So is there anything that you miss about Pujo from your childhood days?
I miss my family because এখন বাবা শুধু আছে. I miss my দাদু, I miss my মা, I miss my childhood days. বাড়িতে ওই যে পুজোর আগে 5-6টা জামা, সকালে একটা পরা, বিকেলে একটা পরা, রোজ প্ল্যানিং, তো সেগুলো খুব একটু মিস করি.
So what will you pray for this year?
সবাই খুব ভালো থাকুক, সুস্থ থাকুক, আমরা সবাই খুব ভালো করে আনন্দ করে বাঁচি, এটাই চাই.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Thank you. Happy Puja.
Hi Vibriti.
Hi.
Thank you for taking time out for T2 Online.
Thank you for having me.
So what do you feel about today's shoot?
Today's shoot is very special because I'm working with Joita after a really long time, and also working with T2 is always a pleasure. They're like family.
So Pujo is round the corner. What are your plans?
আমার বাড়িতে পুজো হয়, so I'll be kind of busy there, and meeting family members during this time is a very special feeling.
So what do you miss the most from your childhood Pujo?
I think getting new clothes from the elders, because now we go out, we shop, we choose. Though this year I have decided a conscious decision that I will not buy even a thread, but in general when we used to get gifts, Pujor upohar hisebe, it was lovely because it used to be a different variety of clothes altogether.
And what's your favorite Pujo outfit?
Obviously sari.
Okay, and is there any ritual that you can't miss out during Pujo?
Yes, on Mohalaya চক্ষুদান হয়. আমাদের বাড়িতে যেহেতু পুজো হয়, আমার আঙ্কেল, ওনার নাম তমাল কৃষ্ণ গোস্বামী, হি ইজ অ্যান আর্টিস্ট, ওনার ডিজাইনেই হয়. তো যখন চক্ষুদান হয়, ওই টাইমটাতে আমরা বাড়িতেই থাকি, বিকেলবেলা নাগাদ হয়, ওই 5টা থেকে 7টার মধ্যে. So I think that's a ritual none of us would miss it for the world.
Okay, and do you go pandal hopping?
Not really. I go out, we have house get-togethers as well, but pandal hopping, actually I'm very claustrophobic, so yeah, I'm scared.
So tell us about your fondest memory of Pujo.
I think যেহেতু প্রত্যেক দিন একটা ডিফারেন্ট মেনু সেট থাকে ভোগের, তো আই থিঙ্ক আই enjoy and relish eating dal bhat and jhuri aloo bhaja on Dashami, and that is like the best feeling.
And any message for T2 Online readers?
Have a really great, safe and good pujo.
Thank you. Hi Shomo.
Hi.
Thank you for taking time out for T2 Online.
Always a pleasure.
So tell me, what's your favorite outfit for Pujo?
My favorite outfit for Pujo will always be Punjabi. I think Oshtami din Punjabi, pajama Punjabi pore Anjali dite jawa is a thing, will always be a thing, any day. But baki din gulo, you see this, it's going to be the same jeans, the shirts will keep changing.
And what's your must-do ritual during Pujo?
During Pujo? Oh, having biryani on all days. I've said this before. I love biryani, and Pujo gives me an excuse to have biryani on all 5 days. Something else too, which I can't mention here, of course.
So, what are your plans for Pujo this year?
Well, I think as everybody understands that, you know, this time the excitement is a little on the lower side for very justified reasons. So I'd like to spend time at home, of course, also in solidarity with whatever has happened in the city in the month of August. But of course, I'd like to meet my friends who are coming back from various parts of the world during Pujo. I haven't met them in a very, very long time. Meeting them, but yeah, biryani, of course.
So, do you go pandal hopping?
No, not anymore. Somebody has asked, an organization has asked me to judge this year. I don't know whether they've taken the right call or not. So that's the only bit of pandal hopping that I'm going to do. Other than that, I can't do that anymore. I'm very sorry.
So, are you enjoying today's shoot?
Oh, I'm loving today's shoot. Especially this cafe is very, very beautiful, and the outfits here are amazing. As I said, I'm always in for wearing Indian wear and, you know, shooting something for Pujo. Had a lovely time here.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.